Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing power and a stable Wi-Fi connection so the backup won't fail. This protects your data during the process. Next, make sure you're signed into your primary Google account and that contacts, calendar, and photos sync are enabled because the system backup pulls those items. Open Settings, search Backup, and start a manual backup now. This creates a current snapshot. Once done, verify backup date and size so you know everything completed successfully before proceeding to reset. Now you handle details that prevent surprises after reset. If you have app data you care about, enable Google One Backup or a trusted third-party app to capture app settings and full device images because stock backup can miss complex app states. For messaging, open WhatsApp and run its chat backup to Google Drive or a local copy. Also export passwords, SMS, and large media files. Copy those to a PC or external drive to ensure nothing important is left behind before you're ready to reset. First, remove any SD card, unpair Bluetooth devices, and sign out of accounts to avoid activation lock issues. Then go to Settings, System, Reset options and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Confirm and wait for the phone to reboot. Once it restarts, sign into your Google account and restore from the backup you created, making sure apps, contacts, and media reappear. If something is missing, check backup settings and retry restore. For stubborn restores, use the local image or manual file transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.